A full-size bathtub is hard to enjoy when your bathroom only has a shower or very little space. A portable tub can give you a place to soak without a costly bathroom remodel. In this video, I'm going over the best portable bathtubs for adults. I'll cover picks from different price ranges and for different uses, so stay with me through the full video to see which one fits your needs best. The product links are in the description. If this video helps, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Got a question? Leave it in the comments. Let's get into the first pick. Number 6, Wavy Ease Portable Bathtub. At number 6, this is a budget pick for anyone who wants a deeper soak without adding a permanent tub. Its round shape and tall walls make it useful for warm baths, cold plunges, or small bathrooms with only a shower. The tub opens in seconds and does not need a pump, tools, or a long setup. 14 support panels help the sides hold their shape, and the reinforced 7-layer build adds structure without making it heavy. It weighs about 7 pounds empty, folds down to roughly 4 inches thick, and can be stored in a closet or carried to a patio or home gym. Inside, it holds up to about 87 gallons and can reach close to 23 inches of water depth. The insulated walls help keep bathwater warm, and the included inflatable cushion gives your back a softer place to rest. It comes in black, gray, and white. The main drawback is drainage. The included hose is short, and some users say the water empties slowly, so drain placement matters. A few reviews mention seam or fabric damage after limited use, which raises some concern about long-term life. Still, for compact storage, easy setup, and roomy soaking space, this is a practical budget option. Number 5, OneBook Portable Foldable Bathtub for Adults. At number 5, this budget option is made for adults who want more room to stretch out than a round soaking tub can offer. The long rectangular shape works well for warm baths, ice baths, or anyone without a built-in tub. Setup takes about 5 minutes and does not require tools. 6 support pillars help hold the frame steady, and the 6-layer insulated body is built to slow heat loss. It can keep much of the water temperature for up to 3 hours, which is useful for longer soaking sessions. The tub measures about 45 inches long and can suit adults up to 6 feet 7 inches tall. A water-filled cushion adds back support, and the package includes a carry bag, drain hose, manual pump, and 10 bath bags. At under 10 pounds, it is light enough to move between a bathroom, shower stall, or outdoor area. Drainage is the part to watch. It has side and bottom drain options, yet some buyers report slow flow or leaks around the bottom valve. The frame may bend if the tub is overfilled, so keeping the water near half capacity is the safer choice. For the price, it gives taller users useful space, simple storage, and strong heat retention. Number 4, Jen Rennion Foldable Bathtub. Coming in at number 4, this lower mid-range pick is a good choice for small showers, RVs, or travel. Its oval shape gives you more room than a round plunge tub, though adults will still need to bend their knees during a soak. Getting it ready is simple. The support bars click open, the top snaps fasten in place, and there is no pump or toolkit to deal with. At just over 8 pounds, it is easy to move, and the folding frame helps it store in a tote or closet after use. The 6-layer body and pearl cotton base help hold warmth for around 45 minutes to an hour. You can use it for a hot bath, an ice bath, or a salt soak, and the included cushion adds a bit of back support. 2 drain points, one on the side and one underneath, give you more freedom when lining it up with a shower drain. The taller walls are useful for deeper water, yet stepping over them may be hard for anyone with limited mobility. Some buyers mention snaps coming loose or drain plugs needing extra care. Still, the easy setup, compact shape, and strong heat retention make this a smart choice for tight spaces. Number 3, Lergna Portable Foldable Bathtub. At number 3, this mid-range pick gives taller adults more room to stretch out during a soak. Its 47-inch oval body works well for hot baths, ice baths, camping, or bathrooms without a built-in tub. The frame uses 8 support rods, 2 bottom rods, aluminum alloy, and thick PVC parts to help the sides stay steady. First-time setup takes around 7 minutes. Then the tub can fold flat without pulling every piece apart. At just over 9 pounds, it is still easy to carry and store between uses. 6 insulated layers help the water stay warm for more than an hour, and the long shape lets many adults keep their legs straighter than in a compact round model. A water-filled cushion is included, along with a repair patch and an extendable drain hose. The bottom drain can empty the tub faster when the hose is placed close to a floor or shower drain. Poor hose placement may leave some water behind, and the vinyl can tear if it meets a sharp object. Keep the water below 122 degrees and check that the hose is clear before filling. For renters or taller users, the extra length is the main reason this one stands out. Number 2. Veer Ear Collapsible Bathtub. For number 2, I'm moving into the premium range with a roomier choice for long soaks and family use. It comes in 4 lengths, from about 46 to 58 inches, so buyers can choose a size that suits their shower or available floor space. The body is made from thick polypropylene and folds down for storage. Setup is quick, and the 50-inch version weighs around 23 pounds. A built-in back cushion gives you support, and the side basket keeps soap, a towel, or a drink within easy reach. Heat retention is a key strength here. The included thermal lid covers much of the opening and helps the water stay warm during a longer bath. Keep in mind that the lid is not included with every size, so check the version before ordering. The range includes blue options and several lengths for different spaces. Drainage is less polished. Some water can remain in the base, which means you may need to lift or tilt one end to finish emptying it. The drain plug may come loose if it gets bumped. Still, the deeper shape, easy folding system, and added comfort features give this pick a more complete feel than simpler fabric tubs. Number 1. Elderflower and Berries Portable Bathtub. At number 1, this premium pick brings a more traditional tub shape to a portable design. The 56-inch body gives adults more room to recline, and the deep sides can support a full body soak in apartments, shower areas, or temporary spaces. Setup is very simple. The tub unfolds without tools, then you attach the drain pieces and hose before filling. Thick polypropylene forms the rigid sections, with softer BPA-free rubber at the folding points. A built-in headrest and anti-slip seat add comfort, and the frame is rated for more than 15,000 folds. It holds up to 55 gallons, and the interior is long enough for many users from about 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 4 inches tall. The 10-foot hose is much longer than the hoses included with most picks, and a spare set of drain plugs comes in the box. A carry bag makes storage and transport easier. The main concern is access. The inside may feel narrow for anyone with limited mobility, and getting back up can take some upper body strength. Drainage can be slow on an incline, and the hose connection may leak if it is not secured well. For depth, room, and easy folding, this earns the top spot. And that completes my look at the best portable bathtubs for adults. For more helpful product picks, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you next time.